All right, today for our driving enjoyment, we have this classic 87 Lotus Esprit Turbo. Calypso Red, tan interior, chrome BBSs. Poster car of the 80s, a lot of people had them on their walls. And we got a beautiful spring day, so stay tuned and we're gonna take it out for a ride for you today. All right, here we have for you, like I said, a 1987 Lotus Esprit Turbo. So we will fire it up. Let it get all warmed up. Take you on our farm road, do some drive-bys, curvy road, and sit back and enjoy. And we'll be back to you as soon as the car is warmed up. Here we are on our farm road. We're just gonna take it light while the car is still warming up. We're almost there. But you know, back in the day, the Ferrari 308 Quattrovale was pretty much a direct competitor. The old adage, simplified and add lightness. It was a feature in many James Bond movies. But this car specifically has had a tremendous amount of work done to it. Corners pretty nicely. Feels pretty crisp. Nice acceleration. You can hear a little bit of the turbo spooling. And it cruises relatively nicely. I think there was only about 156 produced, so very low numbers. Certainly going to get a lot of attention no matter where you go. They are cult followed, a whole lot of fun to drive. Stay tuned, we're going to take you down the farm road, get a little speed under our belts before we wrap this up, but it's a great car, so stay tuned. Got a little bit of a clear path in front of us. Great bang for your buck for what you get. Turbo power, 80s looks and styling, and just a cool retro feel.